Yo, what's up? Listen, today's not a role play. This isn't a role play video. This is a blow your mind video about this service called ChatGPT. You might have heard of it already. It's AI. And I want to give us some ways, 10 different ways in which you can use ChatGPT for your ASMR channel if you're a content creator, or I'll even give you a few tips just for your own personal life on how to use ChatGPT to be able to help you in 2023 and help me. Now that rhymes. Help you and me in 2023. There we go. Let's go. Let's take a look. All right, so here it is. This is the program ChatGPT. Now you need to go there, chat.openai.com. If this is your first time, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you that real quick in a private window. What you would do is you'd be here and you're gonna sign up. You're gonna sign up with your email address, all that kind of good stuff. Once you sign up, they're going to send you a verification code to your phone. Finish the sign up process. Simple. If you sign up for anything, this is probably one of the simplest things to sign up for. All right. So once you get in, now mind you, there are a lot of people trying to get in at the same time right now. So what I just did was just keep refreshing. If it gives you an error saying that there's too many people or it's at capacity or something like that, just go ahead and just keep refreshing, and you'll be okay. You'll be okay. And once you get to this screen, then this is where all the magic happens, right here. All right. So I'm actually gonna I've actually done this already. As you can see from the side, it keeps it keeps all of the stuff already. So this is 20 ways I can use you for my YouTube channel. So but I want to show you this stuff in real time, and we're gonna look at that. So I'm gonna do it once again. We're gonna do the top 10 ways I can use you for my ASMR YouTube channel. All right, so let's see what it does, and enter. You can use me to generate ASMR scripts for ASMR videos. I can help you research and create content for different ASMR triggers. I can assist with editing and post-production, such as adding background music and sound effects. I can help you optimize your videos for search and discoverability on YouTube. You can help me to create thumbnails and other visual elements for your videos. All right, so what I'm going to do is just expand on this, and this is the beautiful thing about ChatGPT. Right now, it remembers the first question and the context of everything that's going on right now. And so what I'm going to do is say, can you give me some examples? Let's just see what it does. Sure, here are some examples of how you can use me. All right. You could ask me to generate scripts for an ASMR video where you play a hairdresser or barber. Done those. And I will provide you a script that includes soft-spoken instructions and relaxing sound effects. You could ask me to research different ASMR triggers, provide you with a list of sounds that you could use, such as the sound of rain, waterfall, or gentle waves. I can help you with editing your video by syncing background music with the visual elements and sound effects used in your video. You could ask me to help in optimizing your videos. I've done that. Title, description, tags, I can get all of that. I'll show you that in just one moment. Just stay tuned. I can help you create visually appealing thumbnails. 6, you could ask me to come up with new ASMR video concepts, such as a video where you guide viewers through a virtual reality tour of a relaxing beach, or a video where you perform ASMR in different languages. En otros idiomas como español puede enseñarnos cómo usarle mejor. Seven, I can assist you in creating consistent branding strategy. 8, analyze data on your channel. 9, create content calendar so that you can keep your uploads consistent. And 10, you can create interactive and engaging social media content. All right, we're gonna dig a little deeper. Let's look at scripting for instance. Now, I'm not really a scripter. But there are a lot of people who are. Many of you script out everything. I'm more of a general idea. I get the big picture and I just kind of do off the cuff on most of my videos. I mean, there are a few of them that I've done scripting for, but the majority of them, I'm just pretty much talking off the cuff. Whatever comes to my head at the moment is what I do. And so I have kind of a general idea of some things I want to do, but all the verbiage is my own that happens on the spot. That's why I think it kind of feels a little natural that way. But there are a lot of people who can't do that, and it's not for everybody. So, but scripting is important for a lot of people, and especially ASMR roleplay channels. So let's create a unique ASMR roleplay skit. We're gonna set this in the year, let's say 3010 in a faraway galaxy. All right, and enter. Let's see what we do. So in the year 3010, on the distant planet galaxy far, far away, you're the captain of a spaceship that offers interstellar relaxation services. Your ship, equipped with the latest technology and sensual relaxation, has landed on a bustling space station to offer your services to the weary travelers. As your client enters the ship, they're greeted by the soothing sound of soft space music, the warm glow of flickering stars projected on the wall. You welcome them on board and guide them to the main relaxation chamber, where they can choose a variety of different experiences. You suggest they try the interstellar spa experience. The client reclines on a comfortable cushioned bed while gentle alien music plays in the background. You begin the session by using a futuristic neural massage device that sends waves of relaxation through the body. I mean, I'm gonna just tell you this. The first time I used this thing, my mind was just blown. Are you kidding me? And the beautiful thing is that I can actually, look, I can change some parameters. Instead of 3010, change the year to 1920. Let's see what happens now. All right, year 1920, you are the proprietor of a luxurious spa located in the grand manor of the outskirts of a bustling city. Your clients are wealthy elite, looking for a respite from the stress of their busy lives. And as your client enters the spa, they're greeted with the soothing sound of classical music, warm glow flickering candles. You welcome them and guide them to the main relaxation chamber. That came back up again, main relaxation chamber. You suggest the vintage relaxation experience. They receive a comfortable cushion chase lounge with gentle classical music playing in the background. You begin the session by using a feather light touch to massage your temples. Aromatherapy. Yeah. Setting is a farm. Let's just see what that does. See, that's what I'm saying. Look, the possibilities on this are endless. They're endless. And all right, so now what I'm gonna do, so look here, all right, I set it on a farm. You're on a tranquil farm surrounded by lush grass, gentle breeze blowing through the tall grass. The client walks around the farm. They can hear the sounds of birds chirping and the distant cattle, lowing of cattle. The smell of fresh earth and grass fills their senses. You guide them to a cozy cabin. So I want you to think about this for a moment. You could actually not only use this for ASMR, you could write a book with this. You could give it all the parameters, all the things. You can even, if you started writing a book, you could copy and paste your book into it and then tell it to finish it. Or tell it to give you more, to expand on what you've already stated already. You could give it one, once again, the possibilities are absolutely endless. This is just blowing my mind once again. All right, so we're gonna do a new chat. I'm gonna go to the left here, do new chat, come back down here, and instead now I want to get some ideas. Now this is something that I did use, and that really generated some great stuff. So give me 30. Let's just say 10. Let's just say 10. Give me 10 of the 10 unique ASMR roleplay ideas. Not barber, doctor, or I'm gonna say do not give me barber, doctor, or what's another common one? I'll just say barber or doctor. It's late. My mind is kind of fried. I've been sick all week. All right, here we go. A librarian who helps you find and check out books. A bedtime storyteller who helps you relax and fall asleep. A garden tour guide. A travel guide. Planning a dream vacation. A spa therapist. Yoga instructor. Fashion stylist. Chef who takes you on a virtual tour and cooking demonstration, a therapist who helps you process and release negative emotions, a park ranger who takes you on a virtual hike and describes the sights and sounds of nature. Wow, 10, I would have never thought of that. Let's expand on 10. Expand on number 10. Let's see, sure. The roleplay of Park Ranger can include various activities. Here are some ideas how it could play out. He guards you. He can guide you on a virtual hike, describing the different trees, plants you're passing by, sounds, the wildlife, smells of the forest. They can also point out interesting features such as waterfall or et cetera, et cetera. What is all that? Tour. He can take you on a guided meditation. You know what? I'm going to tell it to write me a script based on that. Write me a role play script based on that. It should know what I'm talking about. Sure, here's an example. Yep, man, amazing. It's almost like just talking to a person, how you would talk. If you're talking in context, you don't have to repeat everything that you said because they already know what you stated before. So it's like, all right, here we go. Welcome everyone to our virtual hike to the national park. My name is Ranger Smith. I'll be your guide today. Are you ready to explore the great outdoors? Pause for confirmation. Great. Before we begin, let me remind you to wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water. We'll be walking for around an hour. Oh man, you know what this is? This is awesome. I might have to do this. Great. Before we go, let me remind you to wear comfortable shoes. Let's begin our hike. I'm not trying to read everything. I'm just kind of skimming through. As we hike further, we'll cross a small stream. The sound of crossing water cascading over rocks is peaceful and soothing. Look, you can use this for ASMR. You can use this in your personal life. If you have a text you want to send, if you have an email you want to send out, you can give it the parameters and it will do it for you. Of course, don't forget, look, it's just like anything automated. You're going to have to really look at it. You're going to have to make sure it's what you want. You can refine it, edit it. I would never just take a script out of here and just do it just straight, from what they gave you. I mean, that's just me. I need to personalize it and make it my own, things of that nature. But this is a great starting point. Matter of fact, it's better than a great starting point. It's a super ballistic starting point, whatever that means. But yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. I can tell this thing to, let's see, make me a meal plan for a man aged 49. Don't tell nobody I'm that old, right? Age 49, with 3,000, I'll say 3,000 calories a day. All right, let's see what happens. Meal plan for man, age 49, daily calorie, breakfast. Look at come on, man, come on. Eggs, wheat toast, avocado, orange juice, and coffee. And it tells you the calories. All right, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, grilled salmon. I love grilled salmon with a side of brown rice, steamed vegetables. Once again, like I said earlier, the possibilities of this are absolutely endless. So tell me below how you can use this. I want you to get in here. I want you to start messing with this. I want you to start using it. I want you to start doing research on it. Now, I want to give you a couple of limitations. Matter of fact, let's go to the beginning and look at this screen here. All right? The examples, the capabilities, and the limitations. I want to go to limitations. They may occasionally generate incorrect information. Second, it may occasionally produce harmful instruction or biased content. And third, it has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So the information that it's going to give you is only up to 2021. So you can't ask it about, something going on now. Right now, they just elected McCarthy to the House. It doesn't know that. It doesn't know that. So if you're asking it information, or you need to pull information on something that's current right now, this is not your place to go. But, this is, I'll just say for myself, probably one of the strongest programs, most powerful programs I've ever seen. So, I'm gonna be messing with it, tweaking with it, and all that. And if I get some more ideas of how we can be able to use it for ASMR channels, then I'll definitely put out a follow-up video about that. Please, in the comments below, you let me know if are there any tips and tricks, things that you've learned, any other ways that you can use this ChatGPT for ASMR. Put them in the comments below. And hey, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for coming here. And I just want to say to all of my subscribers and the family here at Pepper ASMR, thank you. We have been growing steadily over the last few months, and I'm just astonished. I'm so thankful for your dedication. I'm so thankful for your encouragement. The comments that you guys keep giving me, they're the fuel that keeps me making more videos and trying new things. I don't like to do the same old thing everyone's doing. I like creativity, and I like to try different things, and so hopefully you can see that, and it looks like many of you are appreciating that, and that means I'm also appreciating you. All right, God bless, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, bye-bye.